Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute, one question. Our today's question is, during RT of a butt weld, the radiograph shows elongated slag inclusions parallel to the weld axis. The most probable cause each. So you observe elongated slag inclusion during radiography parallel to the weld axis. So what could be the most probable cause among the four options? Option 1 is incorrect exposure time. Option 2 is inadequate cleaning between passes. Option 3 is excessive root gap. And option 4 is overlapping of films during exposure. So I'll give you 10-second time. Please write the answer in the comment box. Okay, so hopefully you have written the answer in the comment box. Let me explain the answer. The correct answer is inadequate cleaning between the passes. See, the inclusion of any foreign material including slag occurs due to the not cleaning, or due to the dirt, or improper cleaning, inadequate cleaning. So any inclusions along with slag inclusion, it occurs only if the cleaning is not proper, or if there is some dirt or rust or some other foreign material are present on the joint. So that will form inclusion. So the correct answer is option 2, inadequate cleaning between the passes. So answer 2 is the correct answer. And friends, if I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Please join my channel and support my initiative financially. Friends, we have come to an end of our today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. Please give your valuable feedback and suggestions. Thank you very much.